Okay, this lesson is on the fill series. You can start out the abbreviation for January or any month, and you can look for the little handler. Watch the little bitty skinny cross that you get down the lower right hand corner of the cell, the active cell. Once you've typed Jan, you can click it and drag it, and it will put all the months. And yes, it doesn't matter if you started from March and you came back in here. You see? So, and now when you spell it out all the way, you see the advantage of the fill series? You don't have to worry about missing a day. If you're typing the days of the week, the months, Monday, you start off Monday, does the same thing. Same thing as if you type it all the way out. Quarters, you type quarter, first, the quarter one. You see? The beautiful part about this, I've seen it happen. People creating quarters for a 5-year projection, and if they missed quarter 3, and they were typing so many times that when they got to this set, they called it quarter 4, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, and they missed a quarter. It'll throw all the data that's input into that sheet all off. So always good to do that. Now, let me show you the difference when you're trying to fill series with the year. You have to tell the computer what sequence you want to go on. If you want to go year to year, fine. You put 2011. Highlight both of them. Once you've highlighted both of them, now it will do it. You see? It has a sequence of 1. Now, if I came here and I did 2010, and the next one I put 2020, and I hit enter. I select both of them. Now, it will give you at 10-year intervals. You see? 2010, 20, 30, 40, 50. You see, the point I'm trying to make is you can make the sequence whatever you'd like, and it will follow that sequence. That's the fill series.